Hey everyone, this is Will with the RV Wholesaler Service Department, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use your electric stabilizer jack. So if you come down over here, you're going to have your retract and extend. So when you extend these units down like so, these particular ones come down at the same time. You're going to run them all the way down to the ground. The legs will fold. All right, once they start giving like that, that's it. So this is not a leveling system. You don't use these to lift your unit up. You will break them. This is only to get rid of the swing introduced by people walking inside. So once you do hear that little give there, they tend to stop. That's it. That's all you get. If you hold them any longer, you will blow the fuse. So once you're done with your camping and such, when you want to pull a unit, you'll go ahead and you'll lift these up like so. Once again, if you do hold them up, this button too long in the retract position, it will blow the fuse as well. So once they quit, you're good to go. You shut them off. If you have any other questions, give us a call at 877-877-4494.